Hi and welcome to our video on how to organize your home and declutter. Before we get started, let's define what clutter is and why it's important to declutter. Clutter is simply any physical object that is not being used or needed and that takes up space in your home. Clutter can be anything from old clothes and toys to paperwork and knickknacks. And while a little bit of clutter may not seem like a big deal, it can actually have a negative impact on your life. Clutter can increase stress, decrease productivity, and even affect your physical health by making it harder to clean and maintain your home. On the other hand, having an organized home can bring a sense of peace and calm, and make it easier to find things when you need them. Now that we understand the importance of decluttering, let's talk about how to get started. The first step is to assess the clutter in your home. Make a list of all the areas that are cluttered, such as your closet, garage, or home office. Then, go through each of these areas and identify the items that are causing the clutter. These are typically items that you no longer use or need, or that don't have a designated spot in your home. Once you have a good idea of what is causing the clutter, it's time to develop a decluttering plan. Set some goals for yourself, such as how many items you want to declutter each day or week. You should also prioritize which areas to tackle first. For example, you may want to start with the areas that are most cluttered or cause the most stress. Now comes the fun part, the actual decluttering process. One helpful rule to follow is the one in, one out rule, which means that for every new item that comes into your home, you get rid of one item. This helps to prevent the accumulation of clutter over time. Another rule to follow is the touch it once rule, which means that you should handle each item only once and make a decision about it. If you don't need it or use it, get rid of it. If you do need it or use it, find a designated spot for it in your home. And don't forget to use storage solutions like bins, baskets, and shelves to help maximize space. So, you've decluttered your home, now what? It's important to maintain the organization you've worked so hard to achieve. Set aside time each week to put things back in their designated spot after use. Encourage everyone in your household to do the same. And periodically reassess and declutter as needed to prevent the buildup of clutter again. In conclusion, decluttering and organizing your home can bring a sense of peace and calm, and make it easier to find things when you need them. By assessing the clutter in your home, developing a plan, and using helpful decluttering techniques, you can create a home that is both functional and welcoming. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and are inspired to declutter and organize your home.